Hello and welcome to Bombshell Bytes. I'm Dominiqué Williams-Blair and today we're going to get into tabletop. What's tabletop? It's a yoga pose and it's a great starter position. So let's get into it. All you'll need is your body and a mat or a towel. So, simple pose. You're going to get on your knees. And again, your hips are going to be aligned with your knees. And gently get your shoulders and your wrists aligned as well. You're gonna lean over. This pose works your abdomen and your shoulders and your wrists. So you're gonna have stronger arms, stronger shoulders, and the toning. You're gonna make sure you lift your abs. You don't want it sinking down, putting too much strain on your back. And even though I'm looking up at you right now, when you get into this pose, I want your eyes on the prize. This time the prize is the floor. But the floor or the ground, you keep it there, and that's just to keep you from straining your neck. You don't want to do that, because if you look to the side, like having it up and then being in this position, you can really hurt yourself. We don't want that. And another thing to take notice of is my arms. So as I place my arms here, it's like second nature to me at this point, but I don't even notice, but you rotate. So that elbow is to the back, like where the end of your wrist is. And I'll show you this once again. And you see the inside of the wrist and you just turn. That pivot comes from inside. It's very gentle. It should not feel like a strain though. You build that up till you get that flexibility there. So again, come down, put your hands on the ground, rotate your wrist, and make sure your weight is gently placed here. You should not be arching over, shouldn't be back, just nicely aligned and tuck that. I even do it a lot of times too. I have to remember, be conscious to suck, not suck it in, but pull it. And you'll feel it. You'll feel it in your abs, you'll feel that tone. You'll feel it in your shoulders and you just hold. And for the transition piece, you're gonna balance. So you're gonna take the opposite hand and the opposite leg and shoot them out. Again, your eyes are gonna be downward. Do not keep them up. I'm doing this just for you guys. It's a demonstration. So, bring the foot. And again, it's parallel. And the arm to the ground. And hold it as long as you can. You're gonna feel it in your core. I feel it in my glutes a little bit too. Your arms, and it's a nice way to balance. And then you slowly pull it in. So you just hold this as long as you can. Do it again on the other side. And bring it in. And if you want to get real cute, do this. So again, shooting it out. And you can bring the knee and the elbow together. And when you do that, you're allowed to curve your back a bit. And shoot it out. And bring it in. Nice toning exercise. Do a couple of those. You'll feel it in those obliques. Yeah, I'm all about the obliques. Like, get those working. You shoot it out. Bring it in. Out. In. And remember, the direction of your eyes, it does matter. Because I do not want you guys to hurt yourselves. For the final variation of tabletop, we're going to do reverse. So, you're gonna start on your bottom. This might be a little bit more advanced, but if you don't feel like you have the balance, just try it slowly. And you'll put your hands. Actually, no, because I was about to get onto wheel. We don't do that, that's my other video. It's like your hands here. And there again, you have them aligned. And they should be pointing forward and aligned. And this is gonna work your arms and your shoulders again, but then get a nice little stretch in your back. And you see you're pulling up, and you just gently hold it. Let your neck, don't have it dangling all right there, you're gonna hurt yourself. Just be gentle. You'll feel it in your arms, you'll feel a little bit in your core, and you hold and release. Thank you for tuning in for my video on tabletop positions. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and comment below. It'll help me help you with some more workouts. And make sure to tune in next week for some more videos.